very good morning to respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I myself Disha Davda from standard 10C standing here to say few lines on prayer. The prayer, the words of wisdom and motivational passages shared and said during the morning assembly helps one to develop spiritual well-being for each individual. One comes in terms that all religions teach the same thing and that no religion is greater than the other. In addition to that, prayers build meditative, reflective spirit which helps to calm his or her mind. This further helps to increase one's concentration which is extremely necessary for both teachers and students to start a day with positive note. Thank you. Dear friends, I request you to stand up and take your prayer position.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
Friends, get ready for school anthem. Position yourself. Keep your right hand on your left chest.
Will be the light of the world, dispelling darkness around, like a star in the sky, guiding everyone in love, forming our minds, reforming our hearts, imparting knowledge and wisdom. Hail, hail, St. Mary's School, our true and of love in nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, hail, St. Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, which stands for your name. Fill us, Lord, with joy and graces, turn us into your angels, be with us in all your strivings, guiding everyone in love. Together we pray, together we learn, to be the light of knowledge and wisdom. Hail, O hail, St. Mary's School, our true heaven of love and nature, for this is where we belong. Hail, O hail, St. Mary's School, our guiding light in every sense, which stands for your name.
Stretch out your right hand and get ready for pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are.
All Indians are
My brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country
And I am proud of.
and I am proud of
Its rich and varied heritage.
its rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
and
all elders,
and
treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity.
Now I am going to invite my friend Pranjal Chimnani to say thought of the day.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected father, teacher and all my dear friends. Here me, Pranjal Chimnani from Standard 10C is going to say a thought of the day. Smile is a beauty of the soul. Smile is the best medicine in the world. A warm smile is a universal language of kindness. Let's start our day with a smile and a positive thought. My positive thought is the reason behind my success. Every thought we are thinking is creating our future. A perfect day is when our soul smiles. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranjal, for giving such a beautiful thought.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे